Okay, now let's go to the new menu. Now by doing that, all you just need to do is click on the icon new. Now by clicking on it, would have the paper width or the canvas. I would also advise that you do not get yourself bothered with these technical words. You would not be needing them. All you just need to do is understand them and understand why they are there. So we have the width and the height. I call it the paper width or the paper length. You can also call it the canvas. Now it shows you how wide and how high your design canvas should be, and that's majorly what it does. Again, I would like to show you this button and what it does. So a practical example is I have my width set at let's say 500, and I have my height here, and in the course of me creating my canvas, I discovered that I want the height to go to here. That's 2000 to come to the width, and the 500 to come to the height. All I need to do is just click on this guy. So once I click it, it alternates and bring them. It's also it's most times just like an alternator, just changes both. So that's what it does. Now for this star, what does it do actually? Actually, what it does is for keeping records of the width that you have used in the past. Now you will notice that I have this 4000 by 4000, 4000 by 4007 pixel. Now it helps you to keep track so that when you begin to make your designs, you don't want to be looking for sizes of canvas that you have used before. Now let's go to the plus arrow here. The plus arrow here, it's a whole lot of presets that helps us to find some presets that the app already has laid down where we can easily use. Now we have portrait, landscape, and different paper sizes: A01, A4, A5, and so many others. So for you to do a design, you can click on any of them and select. So we're actually not going to be doing that. I need to explain all of these parts so we would get it properly. Now the next you'll see is we have PX. PX is actually stands for pixel. So most times I use pixel. I use pixel because not because it is the best, or not because it's something that you have to stick with. It's just my own preference. You can use inches, millimeters, centimeters, or meters, depending on what you like. But I prefer pixel because I understand using these settings more. So we have inches, we have millimeters, we have centimeters, and we have meters. And you will notice on this part, it's a pixel / inches. It's just resolution. It's resolution mainly for resolution converting. So I can use 300. I would advise that you leave it at 300. And then this image, this part, it's the default name where your files that you have saved, this is how they will be named. So let's go back to pixel, and now let's make this 2000. Let's make this the height 2000. Now you'd go back and want to talk on this. This is a color bar, and a color bar helps you to determine the color of your design, the background color of your design. Now this is a background color bar because it actually helps you to keep a color in which you would be able to start your design with. Most of the time, I advise that you use a white background color. A white background color helps you to work on a neutral ground, and this is actually going to help you a whole lot. So using a white background would save you a lot of stress. So you can also click on it. Now, if I click on it, it would automatically bring me to this window here. This. And all of this has its own explanation also, which I'm going to be showing you in the next video.